Zachary Rutter Art here in beautiful Ocean City, Maryland. I am here to participate in the EMF 515 challenge. I was nominated by my friends, the Munson family of the Emma Munson Foundation, and they're starting this awesome campaign to clean the beach. What we have to do is find 5 items of litter in 15 minutes, fill our red bags, and help keep the beach a little cleaner. Let's get started.
Hashtag EMF 515 challenge.
Hashtag EMF 515 challenge.
Hashtag EMF 515 challenge.
All right, 15 minutes is all it takes to make a difference. I challenge Allison Vinay-Kerr and the Kerr family to participate in the hashtag EMF 515 challenge. The ball's in your court. Let's make Ocean City's beaches a little more pretty and clean up some litter.